Hey friends, Fluffy here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all safe and well out there. And today I went to get a couple of pound of potatoes and a bottle of milk and came back with this. Couldn't believe it. I know they're due out tomorrow, but I managed to get it today. So, oh, couldn't resist it. Had to pick it up. Really pleased. If you want to know where I got it from, it was in Tesco's. Just done a little quick look so we can see. Here we go. Just a little look on the back there, see what's what. It is UK 11.99. This was. And this is all they had. They didn't have anything else, unfortunately. But I expect the rest will be coming tomorrow. So there you go. There it is. So without ado, let's get into it and see what it's all about. Here we go. Just cut the strip off, and here we go. Ooh, so get rid of the bag. We have our pack of 10 cards. Three or more special insert cards per pack. Debut edition. Tops 2026. There we go. What we got here? Anything? Nothing. Well, that's upside down. So there we go. 10 cards per packet. No, it doesn't tell you much about what's in them. No, no, nothing on there. And we got a nice gold lion card inside. You can almost see that. Who is it? Can't quite say. Hope it's Haaland for me. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the album. Of course, you get your front cover checklist. What's this? Brand new collection that guarantees more hits than ever before. An insane number of autograph cards. That would be nice, wouldn't it? We'd all like some of them. Rare sequentially numbered parallels. An incredible rookie class. Special Chrome King Legends. High-tech gold lion cards. And much, much more. So that just gives you a quick rundown on what the cards look like. I'll study this later. There we go. What's this? Exciting new products coming soon. Get ready for the hobby. Ah, from September 2025, hobby boxes are a great way to pull some seriously good cards. Unlike standard packs that you find in your local stores, these high-end hobby boxes are stacked with even more exclusive cards, lower subsequently numbered parallels. Hobby boxes also include exclusive Black Edge. Oh, Black Edge. Wow. Packet and guarantee at least three genuine autograph cards. I bet they'd be expensive than Jersey relic cards per box. Wow, that sounds expensive. But what else we got here? Countdown calendar. There you go. There's the countdown calendar. And a golden boot tin. 50 cards plus seven exclusive golden boot limited edition cards. Oh, wow, that looks cool. That does look nice. Wow. Okay. What else we got? We've got the back. Look at that. The back of it. Yep. And the other side of the checklist. Okie dokie. And here's our binder. Okay, put that aside. And let's just break open these cards and see what we've got. Here we go. This is a first for me. Tops 2026. Ooh, that's a buzzer slide. Anyway, here we are. What do I think? Not bad. Tozzy Gomez, Power 82. They're very plain, but they have got like a smooth matte finish with the foil. They're not bad. Usual card stock. You got a little bit about the player there. Okay. What else we got? We have the Aston Villa badge. Oh, there you go. Very plain. Well, that's good though. Seasons in the Premier League. Oh, it gives you all the stats there. Little picture of the ground. Not bad. We got next. We have a Purvis Estepinian for Brighton. Here we go. I like the back because it tells you a bit on the player, and that is good. You see the ground there. Very nice. And our next one, Pro Partnership. Brennan Johnson and Dejan Kulusevski. That's for who else? Tottenham Hotspur. Very nice card. That is nice. Got the foil effect on it. Changes all different rainbow colours. That's really nice. I like that. Lovely. That is good. And what does it say on the back? There we go. Kulusevski and Johnson. Oh, Johnson's. Yeah, just tells you a little bit. That's nice. I like that. That is lovely. Okay. Put that on there. On there. And coming up next, what we got next? We have, here we go, Timo Livramento, Generation Now. And again, you've got that beautiful rainbow foil effect. Very nice indeed. I like that one. And what we got on the back? Generation Now. Tells you about the player. That's quite a cool card. I like that. They look a lot better now I've got them in front of me than they did when I was watching packs being opened. And here we go. What we got here? We have Eddie Nketiah, Pro Precision. That's nice. Look at that. See all the shine on that? Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Lovely, lovely. That's a nice one. You've got, look at this one. This is Karumatoma. That is a beautiful foil. I love the colour match. Goes with the kit. Very nice. Here we go. They do feel nice, the cards. They do feel good. Okay, what we got next? We have Luke O'Neill. And that is a, oh look, rookie card. We got now got the RC, as you know. That's now stamped on the cards for Sunderland. And that's quite a nice looking card actually. I'm quite pleased with that. Love the deep blue. Very, very nice. Very good. Like that one. And then we got a couple of base cards, I expect. Yeah. Joe Bellingham, who's now left. Rookie. Another rookie card for Sunderland. He's now at Dortmund. Yeah, you got a nice rainbow effect going round again. Very nice. Yep, like that. And our 10th card, as we know, Dominic Szoboszlai for Liverpool. I like that new kit. Very nice. Here we go. Tells you he's a midfielder in case you didn't know. And then there's all our info on the back. All right. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Let's pop that there so you can see everything. That one, very plain. But on the back, you've got lots of good stuff. You've got lots of good stats. You've got that deep claret there and around, like surrounding the blue, which does look nice. Okay, right then. So that's our 10 cards. And now we're going to open up our golden lion. So let's see what we got. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's Haaland. Oh, this is my great day. I really wanted Haaland. Oh, and this card feels nice and thick. And here we go. Oh, wow. Here he is. That does look good, I must admit. That looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I love the claw marks with the silver foil effect underneath. And obviously the golden lion. Wow, that is beautiful. I couldn't wish for a better opening of a golden lion. That is the top one I needed. Well, top one I wanted, I should say. Woo. Happy days. There we go. Plain on the back, but it is a nice thick card. If you can see that, let's give you a little look at one of the others. You can see the thickness of that. Feels really nice. That is nice. Ooh, lovely. Nice embossed. You can feel everything. Fantastic. Ta-da! Oh dear. Right then. So that one's a cool one. And what else? Oh, I think it's Matoma's gonna have to go on the stand. And then there you go. That's what we got. I'm pleased with that. They're a lot better than what I thought because I've seen them being opened by Tops on and they look very flat. But to be honest, I'm quite impressed. They're really nice. Excellent stuff. Right then, that concludes our little opening of the starter pack. So if you go into the supermarkets, you should be able to get it now, I reckon, because they'll put them out early for tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for visiting and take care, everyone. And see you all soon. I'll be doing plenty more openings of these. You can count on that. Bye for now.